बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे, खुश होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। अच्छा जी, हम रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व कर रहे थे, राइट? आज हम करेंगे यूनिट 5 का लेसन 2, एक्सरसाइज ए, अंडरलाइन द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन। आज हम प्रीपोजिशन पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? लेकिन इससे पहले आप लोग मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि मैं जब भी न्यू वीडियो अपलोड करूँ आप लोगों के पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ अ प्रीपोजिशन? A preposition is a special word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. It tells us where something is, when it happens, or how it's done. Sounds cool, right? Let's look at some examples. If I say the cat is on the table, the word on is a preposition. It tells us where the cat is. Here are a few more. The dog is under the bed. The bird is in the tree. The book is beside the lamp. Now let's make this even more fun. I have a little game for you. I will say a sentence and you have to guess the preposition. Okay, ready? Here we go. The kids are playing in the park. The car is next to the tree. Great job, everyone. Now let's learn some common prepositions together. Above, below, between, through. Can you think of sentences using these words? I would love to hear your ideas in the comments. So remember, prepositions are words that tell us where, when, or how something happens. They are like little connectors in our sentences. Keep practicing, and soon you will be a preposition pro. Now we are diving into a fun exercise on prepositions using Oxford Progressive English Book 3. Now you have already learned about prepositions. That's great. Let's see how we can use that knowledge to solve this exercise. फटाफट से recap करते हैं what a preposition is. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They often tell us about location, direction, or time. Examples include in, on, at, under, and over. Now let's look at some sentences and figure out which prepositions fit best. Challenge Anab. Here is the exercise. We need to underline the correct preposition in each sentence. I will read each one and then we will discuss which option makes the most sense. Let's start. Number 1 पर देखें. The magpie flew down or away Sethi Street. Now let's think about this. Down Sethi Street suggests the bird is moving along the street, while away Sethi Street implies it's moving further from it. Which one do you think is correct? Yes. Down makes sense because it indicates direction along the street. Number 2 देखें. It flew over or through the open window. What do you think? Over means above something, while through indicates going inside. Since the magpie is entering the house, the correct choice is through. Let's underline that. Number 3, it hopped into or onto the bedside table. Think about this one. Into means going inside something, while onto means on top of it. So the sentence paints a picture of a curious magpie bird that has flown or jumped onto the bedside table. But here we will choose onto. Number 4 देखें. It picked up or in the necklace in its claws. Now up suggests it's lifting something, right? While in indicates location, right? Here the magpie is lifting the necklace, so we will choose up. Let's underline that. Number 5, it flew up and down out of the window. Here, up and down shows movement in two directions, while out of indicates exit. Since the bird is leaving the window, we will go with out of. Right? Nice work, everyone. Number 6, it flew back in or to its nest. In means going inside, while to indicates direction towards something. Since the magpie is going to its nest, we will choose 2. Okay, Janab, number 7 is it put the necklace in the nest next to or above the gold watch. Next to means beside something, while above means higher than something. Since the necklace is placed beside the watch, we will choose next to. Awesome job, everyone. Let's quickly review our choices. Number 1 down, number 2 through, number 3 on to, number 4 up, number 5 out of, number 6 to, number 7 next to. Well done, everyone. You have done a fantastic job identifying the correct preposition. If you enjoyed this exercise, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. Also, let us know in the comments how you did with these sentences. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.